Today I'm answering your questions about Instagram. Yes, it is always a good time to build an audience, even if you don't even know where you're going with it. Really and truly, stories don't impact growth for the majority of us. I personally am a fan of Reels for massive growth, somewhere between 1, 3, maybe at the max 5 per day, Monday through Friday. A couple of posts per week, and I usually do carousel style that are like memes or screenshot tweets so that it makes it really, really relatable and shareable. Hashtags still do matter a little bit, but really and truly, your captions need to be clear, filled with keywords in order to reach the people that you want to serve with exactly what it is that you are sharing. I don't personally do Instagram lives, and I never in a million years would feel comfortable saying that I was doing something live when it was recorded. This is my favorite. We're going to dive into the 4 V's. So the 4 V's are viral, meaning hopping onto a trend, taking part in a conversation that's already happening, like the Taylor Swift dating Travis Kelce situation. The second is vulnerability, and this means actually truly showcasing things that went wrong. Like I talk about my bipolar breakdown last fall. Third, we have value, and value needs to be like actually excellent. You have to share stuff that is implementable, that people say, okay, I can take notes on this. Yep, this makes sense. I gotta save this, send it to my best friend. Speaking of which, make sure you do that. And the fourth one, variety. And variety is where I share silly stuff, whether it's like imitating someone, a celebrity, or doing something silly like showcasing that I can peel a banana with my